Namaste and a very good morning, dear children. I hope you all are fit and fine and taking very good care of yourself. This is Yojna ma'am once again, welcoming you to your maths class. Children, we are going to start with a new topic today, and that is data handling. So, let us get into the class and learn about this new topic.
So children, first of all understand what data handling is. So data is the information that we have, and this information can be pictorial or tabular, means it can be in form of pictures or in form of tables. Now let us understand what data handling is. When we are working out on this data to know all the information, so that we can record and easily gather all the information that is required, and this is known as data handling. Let us understand this by one example. Now you can see this table over here, which is showing us some cars of different colors and the number of cars to the corresponding colors. Now this information that we have here is known as data. Now we want to know these questions, right? These are the questions, like for example, maximum number of cars are of which color, and what is the color of the cars that are 5 in number. Now by looking at this table, we can easily go for the answers of this question, and this is known as data handling. And here, if we want to know maximum number of cars are of red color, and what is the color of the car that is 5 in number, that is blue color. Let us understand this by one more example. See, here we are having one more table, and which is showing the number of animals in a pet shop. First of all, the animals that are there in the pet shop, and then it is showing the number of animals that were sold in a particular month. We have cat, dog, sheep, rabbit and parrot. So this is the information that we are having right now. Now we want to know, we want to work on this information, and we want to know that which animal was sold the most, and how many parrots were sold, and how many more rabbits were sold than sheep. So we can work out on this table and reach on the answers to these questions. Now for example, which animal was sold the most? Here we can see that it was the dog. Yes. And how many parrots were sold? So we easily can come out with answer 3. And how many more rabbits were sold than sheep? If we look at the table, sheep were 2 and rabbits were 5. So how many more rabbits? 5 minus 2, and the answer comes out to be 3. Understood? Let us understand this by one more example. Here we can see some ice creams, means different flavors of the ice creams, and then we have number of children who love these flavors, right? Means mango is loved by 5, chocolate by 10, butterscotch by 5, strawberry by 2 and vanilla by 3. So this is the data. Now we want the further information. We have these questions here and we want these answers. For example, which flavor is loved by most children? Now if we look at the table, then we can easily tell that chocolate flavor is loved by most children, right? Then which is the least liked flavor? So here least number is 2. So and the flavor, corresponding flavor is strawberry. So least liked flavor is strawberry. Next question is, how many children like vanilla ice cream? So vanilla ice cream, go to the table, and it is liked by 3 children. Okay. Now next question, which 2 flavors are loved by same number of children, that is 5. Now if we look at the table, 5 is 2 times, one with mango and the other with butterscotch. So these are 2 flavors, mango and butterscotch, which are loved by 5 children. Okay. and then how many total children are there. So from the table we can make out 5 plus 10 plus 5 plus 2 and plus 3, and answer comes out to be 25. So I hope children you have understood that how to go about data handling questions. Thank you so very much and take care of yourself.